What's your name?
My name is Shujauddin.
Why you learn English? Why you learn English?
English is an international language. When we communicate other or any country's people, we apply English. English is an international language. So I learn English for by communication other people and enlarge our knowledge.
What's your future plan, man?
My future plan is to go abroad. I most prefer USA, United States of America. It is most prefer for me. It is known for its diversity, innovation, and cultural influence.
You know USA president name?
Yeah.
Which? What is
Donald Trump. Donald Trump is the president of United States of America.
Do you comfort to live in city?
I don't comfort live in city. I always comfortable in village.
Which type of village do you like?
I like my homeland, my hometown is Cox's. Cox's is just so beautiful. They have a world longest sea beach. It's located in southern point of Bangladesh. It's a very tourist point of available here. Every moment, every day, every year.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.